In beginning the coronal scanning, the first thing I'm going to do is place the probe down, and I'm going to aim to get a midline coronal plane. Instead of aiming for the first most anterior view, I'm going to optimize the image by getting the majority of the brain in plane so that I can make sure that the brain is symmetrical. Once I have a symmetrical image, then I will fan back and forth a little bit to make sure that I am comfortable with the scan plane that I'm using. So for my first image, I'm going to fan all the way forward to the most anterior aspect of the brain and demonstrate the frontal lobes and the interhemispheric fissure. Once we have a nice symmetrical image and our anterior, then we will slowly fan all the way through the brain, trying to demonstrate all of the anatomical landmarks necessary until we get to the occipital lobe. So we'll come all the way forward so that we have the frontal lobes and the interhemispheric fissure. We'll fan back just a few centimeters until we have the corpus callosum, cavum septum pellucidum, and the anterior horns of the lateral ventricles. Then we'll fan back a few more centimeters until we have the thalami. Fan back just a little bit further. We'll see the tentorium. Slightly more posteriorly, we have the choroid plexus. And then all the way back until we get to the occipital lobe.